to feed me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop, no.
Well, you are, hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then hi, welcome, my name is Doe Darling, or if you've been watching me for a while now, then thanks for sticking around. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing John and Yoko's wedding album. Now this is a re-release, I think it was from their 50th anniversary, and it is in white vinyl. Now originally this album came out in 1969, so this was the third album in their more experimental stage. The first one being Two Virgins, then The Life with the Lions, and then the third one, the wedding album. Now, I don't have any of those three yet, but this is the one that I really did want. So on the 20th of March in 1969, John and Yoko got married in a civil service in Gibraltar. And as you probably already know, their honeymoon was spent in Amsterdam, and that is when they did the Bed In for Peace. And they also created this wedding album, which was set amongst those times. Now that period in history, you know, we're talking 1969, we're talking, it was the time with the Vietnam War. There was a lot of things going on, and I feel like this is a kind of snapshot of history at the time and of the history of John and Yoko's relationship. So I really wanted this, and I'm so excited to open it. So this isn't just an album, it's an actual box set, and it has a lot of souvenirs, memorabilia of the wedding day. So it really felt like you were part of John and Yoko's wedding day. Should we just unbox it? I'm too excited. And can we take a moment to appreciate the box that it came in? So I ordered from Rough Trade, never ordered from them before, but if the box is anything to go by, it's very sturdily packaged, which I like. Okay, let's go. Let's rip it open. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, as we open it up, you can see at the side it says Wedding Album, John and Yoko. And as you open it, it says, thank you, roughtrade.com. Can we help? Stay in tune. Downsizing. Are you selling your record collection? Never. Okay, let's have a look inside. Ah! Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I am so excited. I am so excited. Wow. Wow! I have wanted this for so long. It looks like an actual wedding album, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is a picture obviously from John and Yoko's wedding. As you can see, they were all in white. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I kind of don't even want to open it, but this is the whole point. This is an unboxing. So it says it is remastered from the original tapes with a precise, faithful replica of the original box and souvenirs on their third... Why is that written in American? 20th of the 3rd, 1969 wedding and bed-in honeymoon, including photos, drawings, and more. Limited edition reissue on white vinyl. You know I like a coloured vinyl, and it's white vinyl, and I'm so excited. Okay, like my heart is literally beating. I'm so excited. Well, I hope my heart is beating or I would be dead. What am I saying? I don't know. Let's pop the plastic. I can't even get into the plastic. I need something to pop it. What do I have? Don't judge me. It's a long story. There we go. Okay. This is the exciting part. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's even more wonderful out of the plastic. Oh, it feels so shiny. I am beyond excited. Okay, I've lifted the lid. Ooh, oh wow, oh my gosh. That shocked me! Oh my gosh, it is the, you know, wedding certificate. Obviously not the original. But oh my gosh. certified copy of an entry of marriage pursuant to the marriage ordinance. Can I read? No. So John Winston Lennon and Yoko Ono Cox were married. It says rank or profession, musician, composer, and Yoko artist. Oh my gosh. You know, I've never been married, so I've never actually looked at a marriage certificate. But it even has their father's name and surname and their rank or profession. So Alfred Lennon, seaman, and Yoko's father was a banker. I didn't know you had to have that on a... Why? Is that an old custom thing? I don't know why it would be necessary now, but wow. That is such an awesome touch. And that is kind of stuck in, so you can't really take it off. Can you? No. Oh my gosh. There's just so many things. So many things. When you take the lid off, this is what you are greeted with. It says the wedding. I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So we have Yoko on this side. And we have John on this side. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. How am I going to show you this? This is big. This is big. Look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Look at that. My arm cannot even extend to the amount of how big this poster is. Let me have a good look myself. Oh my gosh, yay! Oh my gosh, look at the photos from the bed-in. Ah, that's so cool. And do we have, like, more on the other side? These are photos from the actual wedding. Oh my gosh, look, this is the wedding kiss. Ah, I love it. Okay, trying to put it away without damaging it. So this is the moment where they got married. That's so nice. Next thing we see is this. I think it's another poster. It looks like a picture. I want to say it's John and Yoko on a plane. But it's very grainy and out of focus picture. Yeah, definitely on a plane, because I'm sure that's Yoko on a plane. And then we have some of John's famous drawings. So as we lay it out, you can see there is a drawing of the bed-in. Was this done by Yoko? Because it says Yoko Ono 69 at the bottom. It says John and Yoko forever, and it's a little window into the mind. Oh, this is actually really interesting. You can see when Yoko's thinking of marriage, thinking of sunshine and happiness, and then John's thinking of marriage, he's thinking of a large family, like he wanted a large family. And oh, there's them getting married, there's them in Amsterdam. I'm too small for you, don't worry. Oh, these are so cute. This is so nice. And as we turn it over, yes, you can see this drawing is by John Lennon, signed at the bottom. And it is really a great little capture of everything that happened. As we can see, look, the bagism, when they put themselves in the bags. And what else do we have? Gibraltar, great. Okay, that's when they're planning, let's get married on a boat. Everything that was happening at that time. This is great. I actually love it. This is such a nice little snapshot of history there. And it's great to see both their drawings. They're actually so cute. I love that. Okay, as we delve deeper into the box, we come to this, which just says The Press. And it's a black booklet. As we open it up, you can see it is a lot of different press articles and clippings from the newspapers at the time about John and Yoko as marriage. This is such an amazing snapshot in time, and this is why I really wanted this album, not just for the album itself, but for the history. I mean, look at this. it really gives you an insight into what the press, the media was saying about them at the time, what was happening at the time, the type of response they were getting, which, as we know, wasn't all positive. Okay, that is super interesting. I'm gonna read through. Oh my gosh. Next layer of our little wedding album is this, and it says bagism, and it is in a bag, and we can open it, and there's a couple of things in here, but first is a slice of John and Yoko's wedding cake. It has a little horseshoe for good luck on it. It looks a very traditional wedding cake, but it feels like we just got a little slice of their wedding cake. I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have this postcard that is in there too, and this is obviously from the Bed In for Peace, but also has a little code on it, so I can download the digital version of the recordings as well, including a bonus material that's not on the LP. Does anyone still send postcards? I actually am old-fashioned like that. I like sending and receiving handwritten letters and postcards, so yes. And here's a copy of what would have been, you know, a little photo booth, you know, strip of John and Yoko. Little photo strip there of them. I wonder if anyone watching this can remember this in the actual news at the time when John and Yoko got married. Can you remember when they were on the television sat in a bag? What did you think? I wonder what you thought at the time. That would be interesting, so let me know in the comments. Do you have the original of this? Now, I would love the original too. Yeah, let me know what you actually think. Now we're getting on to the actual album. Now, I have to say, for those that don't know, if you're going to buy this thinking you're going to get some music, it's not that kind of album. It's very avant-garde. It's very spoken word. It is like recordings of them speaking. It's not songs. You're not gonna be bopping and dancing away to this. It's a little different. And here we actually have the album itself. So on the front we have this image of them kissing, and on the back again it says Amsterdam. And we have a colour image of them at the Bed In for Peace, and it just says John and Yoko at the bottom. And as we open it up, ooh, there we go, another one of the famous photos of all the press coming to interview them. I mean, they knew what they were doing. Everyone would be interested in, you know, John and Yoko's wedding and using the honeymoon to promote peace. It was a great, in my opinion, idea. Okay, let's look at the vinyl itself. Oh yes, this is it. This is the, I love it. So as you can see, it is in a white vinyl, a solid white vinyl, and I think that goes perfectly with the wedding theme. And, you know, on the front it says Wedding Album John Ono Lennon and Yoko Ono Lennon, side 1. And side 1 is John and Yoko, which is 22 minutes, 23 seconds long. Plus we have the grapefruit in the middle, as you can see here. And on side 2 it is Amsterdam, 24 minutes 52 seconds long, and John Ono Lennon and Yoko Ono Lennon. So we have one long recording on one side, one long recording on the other side. So again, you're not going to be putting this on the record player, bopping away to some tunes, but I think for me personally, it's just that aspect of that moment in time was captured. And I think it was quite an important moment in time. And I am so happy to have this reissue of it. And I'm just imagining what it would have been like at the time for those that actually bought this when it actually came out in 1969. What the response was, what the reaction to it was. And like, this is a really amazing box set. So congratulations to John who put this together. I love it. I want to know what the reception was at the time though. And I want to know what your thoughts are on this album. Will I give it a listen? Yes. Is it gonna be something I listen to all the time? No. I mean, it's not gonna be on my playlist, but as a historic piece, you know, I really wanted it in my collection. And I mean, it just looks so darling, doesn't it? White vinyl. It looks delicious. And I just love everything that it comes with. So I am super happy with this. Oh, this is so special. As much as I do, like, you know, you listen to music digitally on my phone, you know, whatever. This, having something you can physically, tangibly hold and enjoy and spend time looking through, I think that's the thing I enjoy the most. And I think that's why I like records. I like being able to put the record on, and while you're listening to it, you can sit back and really study the cover of the album, or maybe the lyrics on it, or the images on it. You just have time to sit back and enjoy it as a whole experience. And I think just like everything in life at the minute, everything's fast, quick. Everyone wants everything quick now, fast, immediately. And sometimes it's nice to just take that time out to sit down and actually enjoy it as an experience, listening to the music, enjoying the art, and, you know, just enjoying the overall experience rather than just quickly skimming from one song to the next, not even taking it in, just taking some time out to actually appreciate the whole experience. And that's why I like vinyl. So that is my unboxing of John and Yoko's wedding album. Let me know what you think to this album in the comments, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell. That way you'll get a notification when I upload another video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!